Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As I was telling you that after breaking out this down channel, Bitcoin can reach this target of $21,500 and you can see it has rallied beyond this target. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move and we will also watch how Bitcoin is breaking out this key resistance on the daily time frame chart and also this EMA 21 as well. But there is a very big bearish divergence on this chart. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with this 1 hour time frame chart. And this was the channel that I was showing you. We broke out this channel here on 3rd of July. We retested the previous resistance of the channel as a support to confirm this breakout. And our target was here at the top of the channel that I was telling you that after breaking out this channel, we can have a rally at least up to this target, that is $21,500. And here we also had our key resistance as well. And you can see Bitcoin has broken out different resistance levels like this $19,500, very important resistance. Now it can work as a strong support. And then we had a resistance at $20,000. It broke it out. And $20,800, you can see here we had some trouble after this breakout. Like here we got rejected, here we got rejected, and finally we broke it out here. And now we have also broken out this $21,500 resistance on the 1 hour time frame chart. But this is the key resistance that we need to break out on the daily time frame chart as well in order to see a continuation in this rally. And this is the daily time frame chart, and here we can see that Bitcoin is trying to break out this $21,500. We have broken out this resistance on the hourly time frame. You can see we are above this resistance. Now we need to break it out on the daily time frame chart, and the first confirmation will be when we will have the daily closing above this resistance of $21,500. And once we will also have the closing above this red line, that is the EMA 21. Sorry, this is the 20, we need the 21 here. And once we will have the closing above this EMA 21 on the daily time frame chart, it can also work as a strong support for Bitcoin, like it worked as a nice support here when we had this rally that was started back in July to November 2021. Same as like that, it can again work as a strong support. And I was telling you that we after this free fall, we need to form a higher low than previous low, and we also need to break the key resistance as well. For example, when this free fall was started here in November 2021, we formed a higher low than previous low, but we found a resistance here at $52,000. But Bitcoin did not break it down and move more down. Here Bitcoin found another resistance at $46,000 and formed higher low, and higher low, but could not break out this resistance and again moved down. And again found another resistance here at $32,000 and formed a higher low than previous low. Here we had another higher low than previous low, but could not break out this resistance. We had been rejected strongly by this resistance of $32,000, and again we had another free fall and found another resistance. Recently we have found another resistance here at $21,500. And we are trying to break it out right now. For example, if Bitcoin will be able to break it out, that will be the first and very major confirmation for the price reversal and even the whole crypto market reversal after this free fall. But at the same time, we can see we have formed a higher low than previous low. We are breaking out this resistance. We are also breaking out this EMA 21 as well. We have also broken out this channel. That is a very big sign for the reversal. But on the daily time frame, we are still having a bearish divergence. That is a bit critical and bearish signal. You can see that price line is forming higher high than previous high, but stochastic, sorry, this is the RSI oscillator. RSI is failed in doing so. That can be another signal that we can have another drop from here. And for example, if it will be rejected by this resistance of $21,500, then it can again test a support of $19,500. That is, by the way, very major support. If we take a look at the weekly time frame, then we can see for the past several weeks, even though we had a long spike up to $17,592, but you can see it did not break it down. And previously here back in 2020, in December 2020, it was breaking as a resistance, and back here in December 2017, it was breaking as a resistance. Therefore, it can again break as a strong support if we will have another fall at this support of $19,500. So we need the RSI to move more up to form another higher than previous high to follow this the movement of the price line in order to remove this bearish divergence on the chart. So for example, if we will have a closing above this resistance of $21,500, unless the oscillator will be not moving up with the price line, I think there will be very less probability that the price line will move more up, or maybe it will move sideways here, then oscillator will move up and form another higher than previous side, then price line will start another move, or it is also possible that we will have another rejection and move down from here. So next few hours or days are very important for Bitcoin because we are breaking out this resistance, very major development on the daily time frame chart we are having right now, but we need this bearish divergence to be removed as soon as possible. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.